Once you know yourself, the rest is easy. Same thing goes for managing your high porosity hair. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. As a person with high porosity natural hair, I always thought I was at a disadvantage. I also thought that my hair was unmanageable. Over time, after mastering these 3 techniques, I learned that my high porosity hair is actually very manageable. Let's get started. First, managing frizz makes your high porosity hair very manageable. High porosity hair is prone to frizz because the hair cuticle is naturally in the raised position. This helps your hair accept moisture and products really easily. However, because of this, high porosity hair can get overloaded with moisture and prone to frizz. Too much frizz can make your hard work to make your natural hairstyles look good to get ruined, and also it's difficult to manage it when you are in the humidity. Mastering managing frizz can actually be a reason why your high porosity hair is manageable. Second, mastering tangles can make your high porosity hair very manageable. Raised hair cuticles tangle onto one another very easily, which makes high porosity hair very prone to tangles, which can make detangling high porosity hair a challenge. Managing tangles in your hair prevents breakage and helps you to retain length. Therefore, managing tangles can actually make your high porosity hair very manageable. Lastly, preventing moisture overload through proper protein-moisture balance can make your high porosity hair very manageable. As I stated, high porosity hair is very prone to moisture overload. I have multiple videos on my channel talking about protein-moisture balance, and it's one of my favorite topics, especially for high porosity hair. We want a balance of both. Moisture is very important because it helps to make our hair elastic and withstand manipulation. However, protein helps the opposite end where it makes your hair not too elastic. So it helps to maintain the strength of your hair while you have the moisture that helps with preventing dryness. So learning how to manage protein and moisture in your high porosity hair can actually make it very manageable. In the next video, we will be talking about the 5 biggest challenges for high porosity hair. See you in the next video. Bye!